morning, class.
Hello, Miss Patty.
Today, we are learning about the globe.
Ooh.
So, does anybody know what a globe does to help you learn?
Ooh. I do.
Oh, yes, Flip?
Does it help you run on the world?
No, silly Flip, it does not. How about Trumpus? Why don't you give a crack?
Okay. Does it help you study?
Yes, a globe can tell you where the places of the world are located. Does anybody want to try to spin? Oops, my glasses.
I do.
Okay, come on up here. What is your name?
My name is Jerry.
Nice to meet you, Jerry. I love the ensemble. Okay, now why don't you give a go at spinning the globe? Excellent job, Jerry. Go back to your seat, please. Okay, everyone, write down this word on your papers. Write down atlas. Does anybody know what an atlas is?
I don't know.
Oh, what about you, the little snake? What is your name?
Huh?
Your name?
My name is Slither.
Okay, why don't you give a go, Slither? While I go get the atlas, see if you can explain to the class what an atlas is.
You got it. So, what an atlas is.
Okay, I'll help you from the closet. An atlas is a book that shows you and tells you about places in the world. It's like a globe, but it's flat.
So we're standing on a flat earth?
That is a topic for another day, Slither. We are learning about the globe today, and it is round.
Then why aren't we falling?
Why don't you ask your math teacher in third period about that question?
Yes, Miss Patty.
Okay, now please get back to your seats, and I will bring back the atlas. Okay, class, I am back with the atlas. I have no idea how I was able to bring this back all by myself. Thank you, Mr. Jerome.
You're welcome.
Sorry, class. Anyway, an atlas is a world map of the globe. For instance, this one is a picture atlas. It tells you where the landmarks are. Those are the main places in those countries. So, why don't we get in? It also tells you about the animals, what kind of sports they do.
My favorite animal?
Oh, raise your hand.
Sorry.
Raise your hand.
My favorite animal is a penguin.
Penguins. Let's go to the first page. This is by the Kingfisher. Well, that's their company anyway. This one explains where things are with a cute little penguin.
We love penguins.
That one looks like me. Oh, and what is your name?
My name is Pocket.
Well, very nice to meet you, Pocket. Anyway. Oops, my glasses. These things keep falling off. I might have to go back to the orthodontist to see if I need a smaller size. But for now, I get big ones. Anyway.
Oh, do you mean like, glasses that stick on your eyes? I forgot what they're called.
Those are contacts.
Yes, contacts.
Okay, so this, see, I told you the earth is round. This is a picture of the earth from something that floats in space called a satellite. Does anybody know what a satellite is?
I know. It's a Wi-Fi so you can play games.
Okay, so this is what the Earth looks like from a satellite. A satellite is a thing in space that shows you where places are in, or it shows you how the world looks from space. And people launch satellites kind of like how they use spaceships to put them up there. These kind. Let's turn the page and keep going, because you have to get to third period soon. So a map, to make a flat map, the globe is split into segments and then peeled like an orange, like this, see? That's how you make a flat map. See, they take the globe and they kind of sort of peel it all the way down. Once they have it, they put it together like that, and that's how you have a map. And maps show the curved surface of the Earth on a flat piece of paper. So let's go to the first page. Let's see, okay. The first page we're going to is the world. Can anybody tell me what this one is?
I do. Is it North America?
Yes, and I have a special song. Everybody sing.
North America, South America, Europe and Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. Hey, that's where I'm from.
Yeah. So, that's my song. And it'll also help you viewers to remember the places on the Earth. That special song that I used when I was in kindy. Okay. What do you think these little points are on the globe? Or on the atlas? Raise your hand.
I'm not sure.
Okay, that's okay. We are all learning. It is the first day of school. So, that is mountains. When you see an atlas and it shows you these little tiny points, that means that there's mountains there. For instance, this is the Rocky Mountains. These are located in Canada and it's located in Alaska, all the way down very far. Now, see, back up a bit. Can you see how this picture right here tells you to look for the QB city? It is the only walled city in North America. That means it has walls all around. So the little star, when it says look for the star, you have to look for the star, and it is right there. So, it shows you where places are, what animals live there, and what the ground is like, and what kind of things they do. They like to farm here. Let's move on. Let's see. What is this place? Yes, Slither.
I think it is United States.
Yep. This is the place where the movie industry is, in Hollywood. Can everybody say Hollywood?
Hollywood.
Hollywood. I can't hear you.
Hollywood.
Thank you, class. So,
It's quite hard to say.
Hollywood is where they make most movies. Like, they make, let me think. Some of the Spider-Man movies there. And this movie too. Well, we're not a movie, we're more like a show. So, this is Mexico. And this is what an atlas is pretty much. Oh, and see, we have a little bookmark right there with a key. Does anybody know what a key is?
Is it like something you open the door with?
Well, almost. Well, metaphorically, yes. A key is used to help you figure out what things mean. The capital C is a red square. The big city or town is a red circle. It looks like we have a visit from our class pet. Say hello to Lady.
Hello, lady.
Hello, Lady. Lady is injured right now. She has this special sleeve that we got for her. It helps her to not be able to lick her arm. Oh, that's her face. Well, let's get back to learning. So the desert is like this. Not now, lady. I am teaching a class. Remember how I told you not to interrupt my classes? Okay. Thank you. The mountains are pointy. The tundra is like this light blue, and so forth. The lakes look like that, and the rivers are like little lines. And the borders of the countries is this little red line right here. The state border is these little dots right here, and then the littlest dots are the disputed border, which we'll learn about those later. Okay, so that's an atlas. Can anyone tell me what is similar about an atlas and a globe?
One of them tells you a lot about it, and then the other is quite small to see. You gotta go really close to read.
Yes, an atlas is like a flat globe that shows you and tells you about those specific places on the world. A globe helps you know where the countries are closer to, because the atlas only has a page of each country, but the globe tells you where they all are. See right here, if you zoom in, please. This is Russia. It is yellow. It's hard to see the words, but this is Russia, and this is Mongolia. Mongolia, yes. Russia is by Europe, and it is a very big country. Over here, we have all of Africa and all of these countries, like Algeria, Lei, and I don't know how to pronounce these. I'm not. Maybe someone can help me.
Patty, one of them says lady.
Close, but almost. Okay. And then this is North America. Yes, lady, it is North America. This right here, oh, and see if you, right here, this is where I'm from, Australia. It doesn't really have much of the countries. It's just one big Northern Australia and Southern. And Australia is where they have a lot of cool animals. Do you guys want to see where I'm from? Okay, so this is where I'm from, Australia. There's also this place called Uluru, or Ayers Rock. And it's a sandstone monolith rising high. So it's pretty much like a mountain made out of sand. And it is where the blue star is. It's the blue one right here. Can you see it? That's not blue. Oh, well then is it the one right there? That's red. Oh, I think, guys, Miss Patty has to go to the optometrist to get her eyes checked. And maybe a pair of glasses that don't always fall off. Okay, where is the blue star? There. Nice work, students. Oh, now I see it. Anyway, so that's where that is. And this is where I'm from right here. Let's see if we can find Queensland. Right there, that's where I am. See? Duck-billed platypus. Queensland, Australia. That was my father that took that picture for this atlas. I don't know. Maybe it was my uncle. I'm not sure. But anyway, now, what did everyone learn about today?
The globe. And about studying for it, and so you can learn more about it.
And what is this book?
An atlas.
Nice, class. Tomorrow we will learn more about the atlas and all of the continents, and we will learn songs, and it'll be a blast. Oh, that's the bell. Everyone, head to your next class.
Thank you, Miss Patty.
Oh, you're welcome, class. It's a joy teaching you. Now, single file line to Miss Brittany's class.
That's all for today. See ya. Hey, that's my line. Tune in next week for more episodes.